Cell division, also known as mitosis, by Matias and Diego. Mitosis starts with a single cell. The black circle represents the cell membrane. The purple circle represents the nuclear membrane. The blue represents the DNA. The black lines and figures represent the different organelles. The orange represents the mitochondria. As this single cell starts preparing itself for mitosis, all of its various parts begin to replicate themselves. This includes the DNA, the mitochondria, and the organelles. The mitochondria also starts to unite with the other mitochondria in order to produce more ATP energy. Now that all of the cell parts have replicated themselves, the mitosis process truly begins. As you can see in the video, the nuclear membrane has disappeared. The DNA have now become chromosome. This is represented by the DNA becoming red instead of their old blue color. The centrioles are also created, which are represented in bright blue little squares. As the mitosis process continues, spindle fibers are created from the centriole. Spindle fibers then line up all of the chromosomes in the center of the cell and split the organelles equally between the two sides. After all the chromosomes have been lined up, the spindle fibers begin to split them apart by pulling them away from each other. Now the cell membrane starts to split the cell as the nuclear membrane appears and the chromosomes slowly become DNA. This causes the cell to slowly become 2 instead of 1. Now that the chromosomes have become DNA and the cell membrane has been pulling the cell apart, the cell finally splits into 2, causing 2 new cells to be created instead of 1. And that has been the process of mitosis and how one cell becomes 2. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have learned something. This has been Matias and Diego, teaching you science.